Today in this video, I will tell you what are the different types of motorcycling helmet and which one suits your kind of riding and you can really enjoy with it. So stay tuned. In today's era where there are so many motorcycling genres that have started, people get confused on what kind of motorcycling helmet that they should buy, so that it's easy for you to decide which kind of motorcycling helmet to use in which kind of scenario. So here it is. Full face helmet is the OG of the motorcycle helmets. Is the first helmet that got made with covering all of the parts of your head. What it does is that it covers the whole head as well as some parts of front chin area in one single piece. The full face helmet has one shell unit and can be used in multiple situations. This is the first helmet that usually every person buys. The advantages of a full face helmet is that this is the only helmet that you can have for various situations, because not just it provides aerodynamic assist on highway riding, but also is good for city riding. Adding all of the things with this plus the complete safety that it provides, I think it's one of the no-brainers. Half face helmet or three-quarter helmet is one of the popular helmets which you have seen in a lot of classic motorcycles. So when I'm saying classic motorcycle, it doesn't mean the motorcycle has to be an old motorcycle. It means that it looks good on motorcycles which are currently in the production line, as well as they look classic. So a lot of people who are buying these retro looking motorcycles, they prefer to wear these half face helmet, and this not just gives them a cool look but also gives good protection to your head. What it does is good protection to your head, but what it misses out is a lot of protection on the front part, which is your face. Although many would say that a visor or a face shield would help over here, but trust me, a full face helmet is a full face helmet. So a half face helmet is good till the time you're looking cool on it. A half shell helmet is even smaller than the half face helmet, because it is more like a skull cap helmet where it just covers the skull, not the portion over here, not the sides, but just the temple of the head. What it does is that it focuses on only one area, more like how construction workers wear as a protective helmet. I would not say that it doesn't protect. However, it has its own limitations. One of the most popular helmets are modular helmets. When I say modular helmet, that means a helmet in which it has a full system where you can convert into a full face helmet, and when required, you can flip it up and use it like a half face helmet. Although many people would say that the hinge mechanism might break away and structural rigidity would not be as strong as the full face helmet. However, with keeping all of these things in mind, it provides that much more convenience and ease for your long tours as well as office going rides. One big disadvantage that I have personally felt is that when you open the helmet from the front, it has some weight on your temple. So in long rides, when you wear it like that, it tends to put some weight, which results in a headache. The dual sport helmet is one of the increasingly growing segment amongst helmets. It has the benefits of both off-road helmet as well as an on-road full face helmet. So the structure of a dual sport helmet is it has a full face shell. However, it has a beak just like an off-road helmet. So when you are riding in off-road conditions, you can open up the windshield, put a goggles as well, and wear it like an off-road helmet. And when you are riding on the road, you can wear it with the visor down and without disturbing your whole system. Some people also use this same helmet in various other situations. Like me, I have used an adventure or dual purpose helmet on a racetrack as well by removing the front peak. And the last one is off-road helmet. Off-road helmets are designed in that way because the rider wants less weight on the head. The rider wants lots of air coming into their head, and the rider also wants something which is protecting the eye as well as the head. So off-road helmet typically doesn't have a sun visor or a windshield. It has just the skull of the helmet with a peak, and you can put goggles inside. I hope this information about the different kinds of helmet would have helped you as a rider in making good decision when you are going outside and buying a new helmet. So please make sure that you wear the helmet, try these helmets, because a lot of helmets have different kinds of characteristics, and even your head might be of a different shape, size. So please go ahead, wear it for few minutes rather than seconds, and then see how the helmet is behaving. Sometimes it might pinch you in the ear. One helmet did that for me at least. So please make sure that you are going out with an informed decision. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Please share these videos with your friends, families, and the loved ones. We would love to come back with more videos for your love for motorcycles. Thank you so much. Take care.